Okay, so now we're going to tie the basket to the system. We're going to start with the foot connection first, and then the head connection. We're going to weave both of our tails through those 2 points of contact. Doesn't matter what direction you go through. You can go foot, head, foot, doesn't matter. And we're going to do 2 yos, since this is a double long tail bowline. And then at this point, you can tie whatever bowline you want. You can do a snap bowline, which is what I'm doing right here. Or if you want to do a traditional bowline, you can. Now our rescuer's primary point of connection on this is going to be, because this is a twin tension rope system, a prusik on both lines. So just like when we do the team-based rescuer pickoffs, we're going to have a 2-wrap or 3-wrap, whatever you prefer, because this is only going to see the weight of just the rescuer on both lines. And we wanted to cinch those up so they're about even, that way both lines get loaded evenly. Then we're going to take our set of 4s. Orange head goes to the ropes. The blue head goes to the rescuer, lower ring, umbilical ring. And then also note that the blue side of the set of 4s is the one pinned. That way, as I move up and down in relation to the basket, I have an ability to control my lower without having to reach up and grab the orange head. The advantage to rigging like this is we have the ability to rig with the set of 4s being a little higher, which will allow us to do a high carry or go above the victim in between the legs of the basket easier. Another thing that makes that advantage of this is we're able to adjust where we are in relation to the basket easier, push them away, have a little bit better control, a little bit more maneuverability. Another way for you to rig your secondary point of connection, if you don't have an ASAP, will be to utilize a prusik. This is going to go on whatever tail is not attached to the head of the basket. You can use a 2 or 3 wrap here. Either one is acceptable. And then to help prevent your carabiner that's attached to your sternal D-ring from side loading, you can tie a girth hitch to it. And just like the ASAP, we want to make sure that we have a stopper knot on the end. This allows us to have a nice tight belay as we move up and down on the set of 4s in relation to the basket.